Have you ever wondered how your body instinctively protects your delicate lungs from stretching too much during a deep breath or strenuous exercise? It is an amazing automatic process that happens without you even having to think about it. Pulmonary stretch receptors prevent lung overinflation by sending signals to your brain that inhibit further inspiration, effectively stopping you from inhaling too much air. This vital protective mechanism is primarily part of what is known as the Hering-Breuer reflex. These specialized receptors are mechanoreceptors located within the smooth muscle of the bronchi and bronchioles throughout your airways. When your lungs inflate and stretch these airway muscles, the receptors are activated and begin to fire off action potentials. These electrical signals then travel along the vagus nerve, also known as cranial nerve number 10, all the way up to the respiratory centers in your brainstem, specifically the medulla oblongata. Upon receiving these signals, the inspiratory neurons in the medulla are inhibited, which actively shortens the duration of inspiration and initiates expiration. This reflex becomes particularly prominent during deep or forced breathing. While this reflex is crucial, it is important to understand that it is just one component of a sophisticated network that meticulously controls your breathing. This system also integrates input from chemoreceptors, which monitor blood levels of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and pH, as well as signals from the cerebral cortex for voluntary breath control. The Hering-Breuer reflex works in concert with these other inputs to ensure that your lungs maintain an optimal volume for efficient gas exchange while simultaneously safeguarding against potential injury from excessive expansion. Understanding this reflex highlights the importance of maintaining lung compliance. Lung compliance refers to how easily the lungs can expand. Preventing overinflation helps preserve this compliance by protecting the elastic fibers within the lung tissue. Without this reflex, sustained overstretching could lead to barotrauma, which is a physical injury to the lung tissue caused by excessive pressure. The Hering-Breuer reflex acts as a critical safety valve, allowing for healthy, elastic recoil of the lungs. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember the silent, diligent work of your pulmonary stretch receptors. This involuntary reflex is a prime example of your body's innate wisdom, seamlessly working to maintain lung health and efficient breathing, especially when your respiratory demands increase. It ensures your lungs operate within safe and effective limits, allowing you to breathe easy and stay healthy.